Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about my girlfriend. Okay, so this video is all about my Bantu Knots. You probably saw this in another video, because you better be watching. Thank you for coming back. Alright guys, I used pink manga hair to achieve these beautiful edges and to achieve these slick Bantu knots. Says this slayed my hair. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this look using this pink manga hair, which this video is sponsored by Pink Manga, so I want to thank you guys for sponsoring. Mwah. I appreciate you. This shit is a freaking gold mine. I'm gonna use it all the time, so hello. Okay, want to see how I got this look? Go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video if you like what you see, if you like these Bantu knots on me. Okay, 4C here, Bantu knots, what up? From the tribe of the Bantu, what up? Alright, make sure you comment, share, like, all that good. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You already know. You already know. You already know. See you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in regal nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Hey y'all. Okay, so I've done most of my hair already. I'm just showing you how I achieved this style, which I really love. So I decided to do triangular parts. I'm not going to call them triangle parts, because when you're doing your own triangle parts, you can't see. So I just put some grease in my hair, and now I'm using some cream custard for my the ends of my hair, and I'm going with the pink MANGA edge control, excuse me, and I am using that as sort of a gel or a jam to hold those Bantu knot areas in place. So these are like rubber band method Bantu knots. So I'm grabbing 2 rubber bands, excuse my nails, they're long, and I'm putting them together. I just stretch them out. And I'm going to just figure out where I want that Bantu knot to sit. So wherever you place that rubber band, that is where that Bantu knot will sit. So take your time and figure it out. I want the Bantu knot to be right in the center, so that's why you saw me start over. And once that edge control dries, it will be nice and good to go. So I'm doing some more parts, and then, you know, I'm parting on my own head, so the parts are not perfect. But I feel like with Bantu knots, you don't want them to be too clean cut, because you want them, because I think it makes it look really spacey when you do them a little bit too precise. Okay, so I'm almost finished with all of my parts. I'm just doing the last 2 in the front, 3 in the front, excuse me. I'm just pinning that out of my way. And I'm just making sure I like the way the parts came out, and boom, I did most of them. And now I'm just going to show you how I did the actual Bantu. So I'm adding a little bit of hair, not for length, but for just for thickness, and I consider this to be a protective style. So it's just something to kind of protect my hair a little bit. These braids don't have to be perfect. I don't care how they look, and I just wrap the hair around. So you want to wrap it like it's a little knot, and just wrap it around. Make sure it's all secure. And you do the same thing with all 3. Like, if you see these braids, these braids are horrible. Like, I braid better than this. So I'm just wrapping that last one around. And now I'm going to go in with the pink MANGA hair, and I'm going to do my edges. Now for my edges, I prefer my edges to look mighty, like supernatural. So I just push my edges back. I don't really pull them onto my face and all of that kind of stuff. I have a little forehead. It doesn't look good. I know I probably say I have a little forehead all the time, but I can't stress enough how pulling down your edges like that don't look good on a smaller forehead folk. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm watching Crazy Rich Asians for the first time. This movie is actually kind of cute but cheesy. That's why you see me looking the other way. Alright, so I've just put my headscarf on. I'm going to go and put my little hair accessories in. I'm just showing you that now. Ooh, okay. And I'm going to go to bed. Alright guys, it's the next day. What up? This eye look I've actually did on my live on Instagram. Follow me at Reese LaFleur. You missing out, sis. So I'm going in and you can see like how pretty and how laid this has my edges. Like even the Bantu knots are sleek. This product is awesome and it does not go on white. Yeah, I know I like my Miel, but this doesn't go on light at all, with color at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.